The Vantrue N4 is praised for its 3-channel setup, front, rear, and cabin, making it a favorite for rideshare drivers and daily commuters. But beneath the features, there are serious flaws most buyers don't realize. Today on Auto and Moto, we're exposing 5 hidden issues with the Vantrue N4 that could compromise your investment. First, overheating is a major concern. The N4 runs hot, especially in parked mode or warm climates. This leads to auto shutdowns, missed recordings, or shortened lifespan. Despite being built for 24/7 recording, it struggles with its own thermal management. Second, parking mode isn't reliable without hardwiring. And even with a hardware kit, the sensitivity is inconsistent, often missing motion triggers or recording false positives from minor vibrations. That makes it a weak choice for overnight or unattended parking protection. Third, customer support is slow and inconsistent. While Vantrue offers warranty coverage, users report long email chains, delayed responses, and denied claims due to vague user misuse explanations. If your unit fails, don't expect a quick replacement. Fourth, video quality in low-light conditions is underwhelming, especially from the interior and rear cameras. License plate readability and fine details suffer at night, which defeats the purpose of multi-angle security. Fifth, file corruption and SD card compatibility issues. The N4 is known for rejecting high-endurance cards over time or corrupting footage unexpectedly, especially when loop recording is enabled. It's a silent failure you won't notice until it's too late. In conclusion, the Vantrue N4 looks great on paper, but serious problems in heat management, parking performance, support, and reliability make it a questionable choice. For a dash cam in this price range, you deserve better long-term dependability. Subscribe to Auto and Moto for real-world product breakdowns and honest reviews.